In 1998, nuclear explosive devices were tested at Pokhran in India. Pokhran is a village located in Jaisalmer district in Rajasthan. A question is given followed by two arguments. Decide which of the argument is strong with respect to the question. Given question is, should plastic bags be banned in India? And the argument 1 is, yes, it is one of the sources of pollution and causes of many diseases. This follows. And argument 2 is, no, other alternatives of plastic may not be that colorful and attractive. This doesn't follows because it is not discussed in the question. So only argument 1 is strong. Pipe A can fill a tank in 80 minutes and pipe B can fill a tank in 40 minutes. If A and B are open together, then in how many minutes will the tank be filled? Given pipe A can fill a tank in 80 minutes and pipe B in 40 minutes. The LCM of 80 and 40 is 80. So the efficiency of A becomes 1 and B becomes 2. So tank will be filled by A and B together in 80 by 1 plus 2, which is equal to 80 by 3. After simplifying, we get 26 2 by 3, which is option number 4. If 1, 1, 1 and so on 1 n digits is divisible by 9, then the least value of n is. We know that the divisibility rule of 9 is, if the sum of digits of the number is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. Let's take the number is 9 ones. So according to the divisibility rule of 9, sum of digits, which is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 9. So the least value of n is 9. Saudi Arabia leads the world in export of petroleum in 2018 and 19. Which country holds the second position? Russia. Green plants and certain bacteria manufacture their own food. Which one of the following nutrition process do they adapt? Autotrophic nutrition. It is an organism that can produce its own food using light, water and CO2 or other chemicals. Because autotrophs produce their own food, they are sometimes called producers. Which one of the following states has the highest length of railway lines in kilometers? Uttar Pradesh. Champaran in Bihar was a witness to Satyagrah by Mahatma Gandhi in the year 1917. Champaran Satyagraha of 1917. It is the first civil disobedience movement in India. "14 people buy item A while 13 people buy item B. 2 people buy both items. How many people are there in all?" Given n of A is equal to 14, n of B is equal to 13, and n of A intersection B is equal to 2. We know that n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B, which is equal to 14 plus 13 minus 2, that is 25. Two partners A and B have started business with the capitals of 6,000 and 8,000 rupees respectively. If they made profit of 5,600 rupees, then the share of A is. Given the ratio of profits is 6,000 is to 8,000. So, share of A is equal to 3 by 7 into 5,600. That is equal to 3 into 800, which is 2,400 rupees. Which one of the following is not a computer virus but is basically a computer language? Python. It is a powerful general purpose programming language. Solve the following equation. The numerator is in the form of a cube minus b cube. We know that a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So the given equation becomes (0.8 cube minus 0.7 cube divided by 0.8 into 0.8 plus 0.56 plus 0.7 into 0.7. That is equal to 0.8 minus 0.7 into 0.8 square plus 0.8 into 0.7 plus 0.7 whole square, whole divided by 0.8 square plus 0.8 into 0.7 plus 0.7 whole square. This whole term will get cancelled, so it becomes 0.8 minus 0.7, which is equal to 0.1. So option 2 is correct. If 12 is to 51 is equal to x is to 17, then x is equal to it is in the form of a is to b is equal to c is to d, or a by b is equal to c by d. So 12 by 51 is equal to x by 17, which implies x is equal to 12 into 17 by 51, which is equal to 4. If the outer and inner radius of circular path are 2a and b, then its area is when outer radius and inner radius are given, the area of circle is equal to pi into capital R square minus small r square. Here, radius of outer circle is 2a and inner radius is b, which is equal to pi into 4a square minus b square. So option 3 is correct. Given some locks are keys, all keys are doors. Option 1 follows because some locks are doors. All locks are doors is not correct. All doors are keys is not correct. No lock is a door is not correct. So only option 1 follows. Mohan is twice as good as Kamlesh and together they finish a task in 22 days. Mohan alone can finish the task in. Let Mohan's work is X. It means let him complete the work in X days. So Kamlesh will complete in 2 into X days. So work done by Mohan plus Kamlesh in 1 day is equal to 1 by x plus 1 by 2x, and they together finish in 22 days. So it is equal to 1 by 22. Let's simplify this. It becomes 2x plus x by x plus 2x is equal to 1 by 22. That is equal to 3x by 2x square is equal to 1 by 22, which implies x is equal to 3 into 22 divided by 2. So x is equal to 33 days. So Mohan alone can finish the work in 33 days. Option 3 is correct. A, B and C can complete a piece of work in 6, 12 and 24 days respectively. They all together will complete the work in. Here, A complete a work in 6 days, B complete a work in 12 days and C complete a work in 24 days. And the LCM of 6, 12 and 24 is equal to 24 and 24 is total work, and efficiency becomes 4 for A, 2 for B and 1 for C. So they all together will complete the work in 24 by 4 plus 2 plus 1, which is equal to 24 by 7. After simplifying, we get 3 by 7 days. Option 2 is correct. If the value of J is equal to 25 and game is equal to 65, then which of the following could be the value of basic? We know that the positional value of J is 10. So logic here is 10 into 2.5 is 25 and the positional value of G is 7, A is 1, M is 13 and E is 5. And adding these four values we get 26 and 26 into 2.5 is 65. Similarly, basic becomes B is 2, A is 1, S is 19, I is 9 and C is 3. Adding together we get 34 and 34 into 2.5 is 85. Baicheng Bhutia was the first Indian sportsman to refuse to carry the Olympic torch relay to support the Tibetan independence movement. Name the only bird that can fly backwards. Hummingbird. Which organization launched a military communication satellite for Indian Air Force called GSAT-7A in December 2018? ISRO. Government of India has introduced Beti Bachao Beti Padhao program to address the issue of decline in girl-child sex ratio. Punjab National Bank was the first bank to be fully managed by Indians. Its headquarters is in New Delhi. The number whose only factors are 1 and the number itself is called prime number. Court is related to justice. Similarly, college is related to education. Court is a place where justice is provided. Similarly, college is a place where education is provided. Which of the following is not a hardware component of computer? Memory. Printer, keyboard and mouse are hardware components. Which one of the following is not a part of the local government in India? Development Authority. The LCM of 8 square into 6 cube and 4 power 6 into 9 power 3 is. We can write 8 square into 6 cube as 2 cube whole square into 2 into 3 whole cube, which is equal to 2 power 6 into 2 power 3 into 3 power 3, because a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn, that is equal to 2 power 9 into 3 power 3. And a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Similarly, 4 power 6 into 9 power 3 can be written as 2 square whole power 6 into 3 square whole power 3, which is equal to 2 power 12 into 3 power 6. So, option 4 is correct. If triangle ABC and triangle PQ are similar and BC by QR is equal to 1 by 3, then find we know that if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of area of both triangles is proportional to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So, area of triangle PQR by area of triangle BCA is equal to, here the square of their corresponding sides is QR square divided by BC square, that is equal to 3 square by 1 square, which is equal to 9. Who formulated the People's Plan, an economic plan in India? M.N. Roy. Eight, 17, 35, 71 and question mark. Here the logic is like 8 into 2 plus 1, 17 into 2 plus 1, 35 into 2 plus 1 and similarly here 71 into 2 plus 1. We know that 71 into 2 is 142 and plus 1 becomes 143. Nearsightedness in humans is called myopia. Myopia is a common vision condition in which you can see objects near you clearly but distant objects are blurry. The first elected Parliament of independent India came into existence in 1952. Which scheme was launched in 2014 to provide affordable access to financial services like bank account, credit, insurance, pension, etc.? Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. It is a national mission for financial inclusion to ensure access to financial services like banking, savings, deposits, accounts, remittance, credit, insurance, pension in affordable manner. It was launched in 28 August 2014. Al-Biruni, the Persian scholar, accompanied which invader to Afghanistan and India? Muhammad Ghazni. Al-Biruni was the Persian scholar who accompanied Muhammad Ghazni to Afghanistan and India. A, B and C are partners in a business with a total capital of 33,000 rupees. The profit at the end of the year is 15,000, that is to be divided in proportion to their capitals. A receives 4,500 and B receives 5,500 as their shares in profit. Find C's capital. C's profit is equal to 15,000, which is total, minus profit of A and B. So C's profit is equal to 15,000 minus 10,000, that is equal to 5,000. Now the ratio of ABC profit is 4,500 is to 5,500 is to 5,000, which is equal to 9 is to 11 is to 10. So C's capital is equal to 10 by 30 into 33,000, which is equal to 11,000 rupees. The study of birds is called ornithology. Herpetology is the study of amphibians and reptiles. Anthropology is the study of people past and present with a focus on understanding the human condition both culturally and biologically. And ophthalmology is the study of the anatomy, physiology and diseases of the eye. Write the ratios 5 is to 3, 7 is to 5 and 6 is to 4 in descending order. We know that 5 by 3 is equal to 1.6, 7 by 5 is equal to 1.4, and 6 by 4 is equal to 1.5. In descending order, it is 5 by 3, 6 by 4 and 7 by 5. So option 2 is correct. The international organization that coordinates UN environmental activities is United Nations Environment Programme. UNEP headquarters is in Nairobi, Kenya. The President can nominate 2 members of which community to Lok Sabha? Anglo-Indian community. These 2 members were nominated by the President of India on the advice of the Government of India. Which one of the following passes is located at the crest of the Western Ghats and connects Mumbai with Pune? Borghat Pass. This pass is between Kasara and Kandala on the Mumbai-Pune Express Highway.